Welcome to this Excel tutorial. In this video, we will learn about the logical functions in Excel. Now here, I have made this small data, which is the marks of the students in math and science. Now in logical functions, we have if, and, or, and not functions. Now let's see in if functions. Now if I want to check if the students have failed in math, then I can use these if functions. Now let's type equal to if, press tab, and I want to check if the students have passed in math. Now for the math we have a B column, so here I will type B3. B3 is greater than 50. Then the result will show pass. And if not, it will show fail. Close the bracket and press enter. Yes. Now the result is showing pass because John has scored more than 50 in math. Now let's drag down for the rest of the students. Now let's see. Pass. Now here Sam has scored less than 50 in math. So it is showing fail. So this is how this if function will work. And now let's go for the and function. In and functions, whatever the reasons or the conditions we have given, all the conditions has to be true if we want to show or if we want to get the result true. Now let's see. We want to check for these two subjects, math and science. This here it will show true only if the students have passed in both the subjects. Now let's say equal to and function, and now I want to check for math and science. And math it is B3. B3 is greater than 50. Now comma, for science I can go for C3. C3 is greater than 50. Now close the bracket, press enter. It will show false because John has scored more than 50 in math but not in science. That's why, since one of the statement or one of the condition it did not satisfy, so that's why the result will show false. Now let's drag for the rest of the students. It will show true here for the Mike because Mike have scored more than 50 in both the subjects. Now this is how and function will work. And now here for or function. Unlike and function, in or function, any one of the statement has to be true to return true. Okay, now let's go for this or function. Let's type equal to or, press tab. Now let's see for this John, if B3 is greater than 50, comma, and now for C3, if C3 is greater than 50. Now here, the result will be true if any of the condition is true. Now let's press enter. Yes, it is true. Why? Though John has scored less than 50 in science, but John has scored more than 50 in math. That's why it is showing true. Now let's drag down to the rest of the students. Yes, it will also true. Why? Because all the students have scored more than 50 in at least one subject. Now let's go for the not function. Now in this not function will always give the opposite of the result. Like suppose if it's true, it will return false. I can say that. So for that, let me show you. Type equal to not function, press tab. Now let's see for the science. If C3 is smaller than 50. Okay. Now let's say it's showing false. The reason why, let's say for this statement, C3 is smaller than 50. C3 is smaller than 50. Yes, 46 is smaller than 50, which should be true, but since we use the not function, it will return the opposite of the result. which means false. Now let's drag to the rest of the students. For the rest of the students, let's see here it's showing true. The reason why C3 is greater than 50. Sorry, C4 is greater than 50, which is supposed to be false. But it will show true because not function will make it opposite to it. So these are the logical functions in Excel. And thank you for watching this video.